Hi, this is Blockchain Bad. Welcome to another episode of the Walrus Dev series. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Site Builder. So, just like uploading files or data to Walrus, Walrus also gives you an ability to host your website using Walrus. So, to do that, you have to do it with the Walrus Site Builder. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Walrus Site Builder. It's going to be quick and very easy. So to do that, you can install using your Mac, Linux, or Windows. But for now, I'm going to be using my Mac or my Ubuntu operating system. So make sure before installing Walrus IBM, make sure you have Walrus installed on your PC. I made a tutorial video on how to do that. You can check on the playlist. I showed you how to install on Walrus. So today I'm going to show you how to install Walrus Site Builder. So it's almost the same thing for Windows, Linux, and Mac. It's not much of a difference. So first of all, you have to specify system. So let me head over to my terminal, and I'll copy this command first. Let's specify my PC. So this I'm on Ubuntu. You can come over here, you will see Mac, you see Windows. So I'm going to be copying that. I'm using Ubuntu x86 64, so I'll be copying that and I'll specify that. Is it over here? Click enter. Next I'm going to be doing is I'll copy this command here. I would that's where to install the virus on binary. So I'm going to be installing that for mainnet. So basically you can just install that on mainnet and testnet. I think they are almost the same though. So you just have to, like, after installing, if you want to work with mainnet, you can change the context. If you want to work with testnet, change the context. So when we want to upload this site next video, I will show you how to upload for both mainnet and testnet. So I think we have that installed. So the next thing we're going to do is to make sure we move the site builder to the right part. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be moving the site builder we just installed to local /bin. So I would say MB to move in site builder. And I'm going to move it to or I can just copy it here. I think it is here. So I can just copy this local /bin. So just paste it here. Go enter. Then let's check if our Walrus IBD is installed. So that's, I'll just type on site builder. Sorry, just to put the dash in between. So right now we successfully installed Walrus Sites Builder. It's very quick and easy. So the next thing we're going to do is to download the configuration. So to download the configuration, what you just have to do is just to copy this command here. Just come back down here to the last command, just copy it and just paste it on our terminal. And to download the configuration. So we've successfully installed Walrus Site Builder. Just in case when downloading this config file you had an issue, you can just run this command here, which is mkdir-p, and you just have to, like, create this directory. But just in case you don't have the error, there's no need for it. So this is how to install Walrus Site Builder. It's very easy and straightforward. I'll actually drop the guide, a straightforward guide on how to install Walrus Site Builder on description below. I'll drop a link to that. So in the next video, we're actually talking about how to publish our first site to Walrus. So if you have any question, feel free to DM or drop questions in the comment section. See you in the next video.